Pope Francis, mission accomplished, but he left behind a lot of things for us to ponder on. First of all, this was a Pope who was like Saint Francis. And the key to Saint Francis is his humility. A humble Pope, he was the prince, the biggest, the big man, the biggest man in the Catholic Church. But he was very humble. Nakita niyo na po, ang dami po mga kinikwento. And he chose to be simple. He was not caught into the, the pomp and the glory. No, iba po ang dating niya. So that's why we connect with him. Kung napakataas niya, mahirap po to connect with that man. But he made us feel that anyone can come to him. Especially the poor, the children, the marginalized, those in the periphery, yung mga nasa gilid-gilid. What a beautiful picture of our loving God, merciful God.